Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we will be making air fryer roasted red potatoes. These are all the ingredients you're going to need for your recipe today. Now when I cut up my red potatoes, I like to slice them down in half, into a quarter, and then into bite-sized pieces like you see here. By the way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can get updates on new episodes as they come out. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel a lot. And the last one right here, slice this up just like that, and so there you go, perfect. And this is what you should have when you're done. Now I'm using a nice thick cake pan to air fry these in. I'm going to cover up our potatoes with a little olive oil, get it nice and covered, shake it up a little bit, use your hands, get in there. This is food, it's fun. Then we're going to take some Old Bay seasoning, splash a couple dashes onto your potatoes. Now we've got some dried thyme, about 3 dashes of this, just like so. Some rosemary. The great thing about roasted potatoes is that you can add anything you want. Here I'm adding a little Creole seasoning just to kick it up a notch. Now we're going to mix this up a little bit. Get it all nice and evenly coated on your potatoes. You don't want to bite into one of these bad boys and just have a big chunk of seasoning on it. Spread it out. Add it to your air fryer. Put the lid on. Set your timer and your temperature at 375. We're going to cook these for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to move things around. Add our green pepper and onion and finish things up. Now this is how I cut up my green peppers. Get rid of all this white stuff in the center. Get rid of your seeds. Then you're going to slice these into nice bite-sized pieces. Take your time. Remember, cooking is fun. It's almost like meditative, don't you think? And got this last one here. Slice, 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 slice. Perfect. Beautiful. Don't worry if they're not all exactly the same. Keep things rustic. Now, when you cut off your onion, you're going to want to cut off the top and bottom. Then I make a little slit down the side and grab just one layer of the onion to get rid of all of the outside. Now we're going to slice this in half. And then we're going to make small slits, just like this. You see? Little stairs. And then what you're going to do is on an angle, you're going to want to cut your onion to make them into bite-sized pieces. When you get towards the end, slip it over, and then cut everything else up. Do the same to the other half, and we'll be good to go. Perfect. Just like that. All right, now it's been 10 minutes. We're going to toss our red potatoes. Look how nice and soft these are getting. The reason we want to toss these is we want to get it nice and golden brown all over. We're going to add in our green pepper and onions. Mix this in together with that olive oil. Get everything nice and covered, and we're going to pop these back into your air fryer. Again, 375 for the last 10 minutes. One thing I like to do is add a little more seasoning on at this point. Check your salt content and pepper, and then have everything cook right into those nice potatoes. Would you Look at this, guys. Beautiful and crispy on the outside. Nice and soft on the inside. Oh. Can add these on the side of anything that you would normally put French fries on. How about breakfast? Think about these on the side of two beautiful sunny side over easy eggs. Beautiful. Now I had these with a couple hot dogs recently. Add a little bit of ketchup and oh, are they delicious. Tell me how you try these. What do you eat them with? Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It gives you updates on future videos and helps our channel out a lot.